In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Notion AI. Notion AI is a game changer, seamlessly integrating artificial intelligence directly into your workspace to help you write, brainstorm, summarize, and much more. It's not a separate tool you download, but a powerful feature built right into your Notion pages, designed to boost your productivity. So let's dive right in and get you started with this incredible assistant. First, open up your Notion workspace, either in your browser or desktop app. You can then navigate to an existing page where you want to use AI, or simply create a new one. For this tutorial, let's assume you're on a fresh page or an empty block ready to create some content. Now, to add, or rather activate Notion AI, there are a few straightforward ways. The simplest is to start typing on an empty line. You'll quickly notice a prompt that says press space for AI or for commands. Go ahead and press the spacebar. This will immediately bring up the Notion AI command window, which is your gateway to its features. Once the AI prompt appears, you can tell Notion AI exactly what you want it to do. For example, you might type something like brainstorm blog post ideas about digital marketing, or summarize this document. Hit enter, and Notion AI will get to work, generating content right there on your page. You can then refine, edit, or even ask it to continue writing or make it longer using the options that pop up. Another handy method to trigger Notion AI is to type a /hire and then simply type AI. This will also bring up a list of AI commands, giving you quick access to actions like brainstorm ideas, summarize, or translate. And if you have existing text you want to work with, just highlight it and a small Ask AI button will magically appear, letting you transform or analyze your content instantly. And that's how you add and start leveraging Notion AI directly within your Notion workspace. It's an incredibly powerful tool for enhancing your productivity and creativity, making your work smarter and faster. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more Notion tips, and leave a comment below with your favorite way to use Notion AI. Thanks for watching, and happy notifying!